Hello and welcome back. Today we have another Sandstorm figure. This is Han Solo, and he was released back in 2008 in the Legacy Collection. And he has 14 points of articulation. He comes with these goggles. He has this plastic scarf. And of course he has a blaster. And yeah, this belt that he wears is not removable, but you can put his blaster in there. And it's strange that they put this stormtrooper blaster with him, because he used the palace blaster when he saved the land of Calrissian from the Sarlacc. But otherwise, you can remove these goggles, and you have to take off the head to remove this part. And yeah, he looks kind of strange with elbow joints here, and yeah. But otherwise, it's a good figure. I don't like the hole here, but yeah, as a collector, I just put it on a shelf, and it's fine by me. And if we put this back here, he looks way better. You can't really see the shoulders that much. But it's always fun to get these figures from the deleted scenes. And I do remember that the Sandstorm scene was legendary. Everyone talked about it, and no one had seen it or knew anything about it, but we knew that it existed. So it was fun that they finally released that scene in the DVD and Blu-ray sets, so we finally got to see it, even if the sound was ruined, but you get to see these outfits at least. And that's about it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will be back with more. Bye bye.